Bridge pose. Lie on your back with soles of feet on the floor. Bring your heels as close to your sitting bones as possible. Feet hip-width apart. Knees over ankles and arms resting by your sides, palms down. Inhale, press into your feet and arms to lift your hips up. Firm the buttocks, keep your thighs and feet parallel to each other. Reach your chest towards your chin and lift your chin away from your sternum. Do not turn your head. Hold the pose and take 5 slow, full breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and lengthen your spine down 1 vertebrae at a time.